Hi there, this is Joel from CompanySights. In this quick demo, I'll walk you through the Headcount benchmark dashboard and touch on the key things that every user should know. Let's start with the benchmark overview. This provides a summary of the current benchmark search and a visualization of the benchmark samples based on the data filters, which we'll look at next. These filters are used to refine our benchmarks and include the industry that our company is in, the geographic region where the benchmark companies are headquartered, revenue, which is a custom range with a minimum and maximum, the net income margin, also known as net profit after tax as a percentage of revenue, the number of employees, which is also a custom range, and the ownership type, whether it is private, public, or something else. As you can see, we have used all of the filters in this example, but you can choose as many or as few as you like. Subject inputs refer to the organization that you are benchmarking. You can see here that our company is called Prime Health, with $125 million in annual revenue and 450 employees. I've also input the employees by function and by country, all of which are in the US, and some other employee inputs here. There are four main groups of benchmark metrics. First, we have selected revenue per function employee for sales and customer service, marketing, and finance. While here, we have selected all functions as a percentage of total employees. Then we have selected the employees in high and low cost countries to identify any offshoring potential, and also selected some other useful workforce metrics. Let's now look at the benchmarks. I'll focus on the graph with the red column here. We can clearly see that the Prime Health sales and customer service function is underperforming at $0.73 million revenue per function employee, while the information technology function is green, which shows us that it is lean relative to the benchmarks. And down here, with all of our staff based in the US, we have 100% of our workforce in a high-cost country, while the benchmarks show that there may be a small opportunity to offshore some of our workforce. Let's go back up to the top and click the Employees toggle. This will convert the benchmark metrics into the number of employees. For the sales and customer service function, the difference between Prime Health at 171 employees and the benchmark median at 80 employees is around 90 heads. This indicates that there may be a significant opportunity to improve the efficiency and reduce headcount in this function. If we scroll down, we can see that this view is also supported by the other sales and customer service benchmark here. Then back up the top, in the File menu, you can save your searches, download the benchmark data as an Excel file, and begin a new search. If you would like to watch the full demo, which covers all of the features in more detail, then you can find the link in the description below.